It's going to start this morning. It's the first time it's opening today, and in a Vatican City courtroom. Now, that courtroom, of course, inside the Vatican walls. What we do know, as you said, that the court is based on 19th century Italian criminal code. The court normally has about 30 trials a year or so, but most of them really are on petty theft cases, not something as serious as this. Now, this is a really serious trial because it's considered a serious breach of Vatican security, that someone was able to enter the Pope's apartments, have access to very personal, confidential documents and leak them to the press, the way in which they allege Paolo Gabriele has done, together with his alleged accomplice, that's Claudio Sciarpelletti. He's a Vatican computer expert. Now, in terms of the key players in the court, we do understand that there will be those 3 judges. There will also be the Vatican prosecutor, and he's likely to push his case on these charges of aggravated theft, saying that Paolo Gabriele has admitted to taking those documents and handing them to journalists, and also the fact that the documents were found in his apartment in the Vatican. And then you have the defense attorney for Paolo Gabriele, and we don't know exactly what her defense will be yet, but it's likely that she will push the argument that Paolo Gabriele was motivated to take such actions because he wanted to do so for the good of the church. At least that's what he said. He said he was motivated by the Holy Spirit in order to bring these documents to the light of the media. And then, of course, you will have those 2 players, the 2 men. Now, technically, they're not expected. They don't have to actually appear in the courtroom, but they most likely will be in order to defend themselves. Now, what's at stake here? Paolo Gabriele could face up to 4 years in prison for these charges, and Claudio Sciarpelletti, the computer expert, up to 1 year in prison. But that won't be a prison in the Vatican because there are no prisons in the Vatican. It would be an Italian jail cell if they are indeed found guilty at the end of this trial.